The index finger is the first finger and the second digit of a human hand. It is located between the first and third digits, between the thumb and the middle finger. It is usually the most dextrous and sensitive finger of the hand, though not the longest. It is shorter than the middle finger, and may be shorter or longer than the ring finger. See digit ratio. Index finger literally means pointing finger, from the same Latin sources indicate. Its anatomical names are index finger, and second digit. Uses: a lone index finger held vertically is often used to represent the number 1, or when held up or moved side to side, it can be an admonitory gesture. With the hand held palm out and the thumb and middle fingers touching, it represents the letter D in the American Sign Language alphabet. In sports, it can also represent victory, as some championship-winning teams raise their index finger while posing for a championship team photo. Oversized foam hands with a single upraised index are also used for this purpose. Compare with the victory sign. Many between 2 and 12 years of age find the index finger particularly useful for picking their nose. This is done when the index finger is thrust upward into the nasal passage. For the vast majority of computer users, it is the finger most often used to click a mouse, as well as the finger used in the untrained hunt and peck typing style. Pointing pointing with index finger may be used to indicate an item or person. Around the age of 1 year, babies begin pointing to communicate relatively complex thoughts, including interest, desire, information, and more. Pointing in human babies can demonstrate the theory of mind, or ability to understand what other people are thinking. This gesture may form one basis for the development of human language. Non-human primates, lacking the ability to formulate ideas about what others are thinking, use pointing in much less complex ways. However, dogs and elephants do understand finger pointing. Gestures in art: as an artistic convention, the index finger pointing at the viewer is in the form of a command or summons. Two famous examples of this are recruiting posters used during World War I by the United Kingdom and the United States. The index finger pointing up is a sign of teaching authority. This is shown in the depiction of Plato in the School of Athens by Raphael. See also, digit ratio, extensor indices proprius, fingering, index. References. External links, media related to index finger at Wikimedia Commons.